back in the study, maybe? So I'm guessing we're probably going to end in the study.
Maybe. Could really use another lighter.
Maybe if you didn't keep all the ones that you have out all the time.
Yeah, I could really use another lighter.
Turn the light back on.
I'm working on it.
It's the wrong one. Okay, so what are you looking for here? Looking for...
I don't remember. Where does this go?
I think you said you need to go to the boiler room to a vent. So that's to your left up here. God, you're terrible with direction. We literally just ended that last VHS in this room, bud. Not good.
Okay.
Interact. Oh. I mean, it's been saying that we've had a step ladder. Maybe go check the storage room.
It said stool.
Oh, to your left, right there.
Oh.
What do you know? We did have a step ladder. Help me, step ladder. I'm stuck.
Stop. Of course. Well, why don't you give me something?
Go out. Go out. And to your left. Right there.
Cool. Let's store these for now.
And for the love of God, turn it off whenever you're not using it or you don't need it.
Yeah, bud. Okay.
You've wasted 3 or 4 now. Need something to light the passage so it doesn't turn on the lighter.
I don't need it. You told me to save it.
No, I was talking more about the game. Telling you needed it. You don't even have to turn it on when you're in it. Oh, something's gonna jump scare you in one of them. Shh. Could you imagine how bad your sinuses would be acting up if you crawled through a vent like this in an actual house?
I know, it's making me claustrophobic. I'm using my brain to trick myself into thinking this is just a tall hallway and I'm actually walking.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's the same chair of the study.
Sure.
Not without my lawyer present. Buddy, you don't gotta get that close to a pen.
He signs it with his mouth. Special contract.
Okay, yeah.
It's a good contract.
Go say hi to the crook.
Oh, okay, this is the part.
Can you interact with the crow, see if you can...
I can't get back there.
Oh.
They won't let me back there. I can't really get anywhere in this room.
Okay. Looks like a path to your right. Yeah.
It's like a spiral that goes all the way in. It's getting real tight. I can't fit through there, can I?
Probably.
Oh yeah, just stand up. Like I didn't just sneak all the way through here. It's part of the mask. I usually don't get the mask until I get back to the house, though. How do I get back to the house? Oh, I'm sure this guy will let me know.
I don't know if you could make a full 360 circle if somebody's choking you. Right. Pretty cool, Kanye. That's awesome. What's the point of putting the light switch if it's not even going to do anything? Alright.
Awesome.
Okay, so that's that. You know what I mean? Because I feel like that's when we did start noticing them. Maybe they only come after you do that because it makes sense that you would grab the tape and then do the tape after you finish the chapter, huh?
Yeah.
Bruh. Shows how much we paid attention to everything.
I know. Okay, awesome. Okay, I don't think that was anywhere we can go.
The only time I saw that was
During Dolores' chapter, yeah. Okay, so that's the frames. Okay, awesome. That didn't help me out either. Okay, we got.
So that's the garage.
No, that was our storage room, I think.
Mm-mm. Okay, let's go look. I think it's that storage room that connects the garage to the basement. I think that was one of them. Oh, it's very ugly. What?
I don't know why they had to roast the key like that.
How's the key supposed to be ugly? And why was it just sitting there? Oh, is there a picture in here?
Oh, there's a note. Room 302. What am I supposed to do with that?
I have no idea. So we got. I'm almost positive we got the one in Dolores' room, or
Yeah.
room.
We can check to make sure, but I think that's one of the first ones we found.
Yeah, because we was just looking and we randomly found it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm telling you, I think that connecting like storage room to the basement and the garage is one that we haven't found. 'Cause I probably told you to look there, because that was when. No, yeah, that way. How many are we missing?
Here?
No, pictures.
Not many, like 2 or 3. Here?
Yeah, I think so. Clicky clack that ladder. Look down at the bottom. Another one. I know we haven't got one in the freezer room.
That one looked like our storage room to me.
We got one out of our storage room though. I remember that one.
We did get that one?
Yeah. Go to the room with the deep freeze. I don't think we got anything there. It looked like it was panning up to the corner of the ceiling. Where you going?
Was there one? Did we got the one from over there, didn't we?
Yeah, I remember that one too. Where you going?
That's where it just came from.
You're terrible. You can't remember shit.
Let's just check this quickly, because this did look like...
We did get one from here. I remember
We
that.
did? So that's
Yeah.
probably... Yeah, because it was showing this.
It was sitting
And it
behind
was
that.
right here, yeah.
And then that closet right across to your right, we got one from there. Nope, to your right. Yeah, we got one from there too.
Yeah.
I don't think we got anything from this deep freezer room. The only thing we got out of here was that Nissen doll. Yep. I also hear wheezing.
Yeah, I don't like that sound.
Yeah.
Is he coming?
Yeah. It's coming. Run upstairs.
Are we sure he's coming? He's coming!
Just keep an eye on him. I don't think he's gonna.
I don't think he's that fast.
He can teleport though. Okay, I think he's gone.